Here's the birthday presents. And this is what Emily is interested in. The box and the peanuts. Big stack of awesome presents. Box of packing peanuts. Thank you for the birthday presents and the packing peanuts.